Every time I visit Colorado, the beauty and splendor mesmerizes me. This summer, my family and I traveled to Ouray, Colorado to do some hiking and exploring. So we finally made it to Ouray, Colorado. We're about to head onto the Ouray Perimeter Trail. Let me show you the map. So here's the trail. We are right here. We're gonna hike all the way around and make a loop back to here. While hiking on the Perimeter Trail, you'll be hiking around the town of Ouray on the side of the mountain. So already we've got this amazing view of the town of Ouray. This is a really cool trail because it's one of those trails where you get to see a mountain town the whole entire way. As we continue to hike, the trail takes you down to the town of Ouray, where you can visit a visitor center to ask more questions or go visit the hot springs. So the trail actually takes you to the town of Ouray, and then you have to go across the road, back up the side of the mountain, and we're gonna head on the other side, loop around back to where our car is. So that's where we're headed. We've only hiked about 2 miles, and we got about 4 miles to go. We've been pretty slow. It's already been about 2 hours so far that we've done this trail. Anyways, it's been a lot of fun, a lot of great views. The Cascade Falls are really cool. And right now, behind me is the hot springs. So, ready to get back on the trail and finish this amazing trail. While in the visitor center, me and my brother wanted to know if there was any difficult trails nearby that we could climb up a mountain. Because that was one of our things we wanted to do on this trip, was climb a mountain. And this lady said that most of the 14ers were closed, which we knew because there was record-breaking snowfall this year. But this trail had no snow. It was open. As soon as she said that, me and my brother knew we wanted to do this. And we decided to do it that day. So guys, just now, a bear crossed the road. It was pretty cool. I got a couple quick shots with my phone. We didn't get much else because it was running away. And see it? Guy's running away. And we talked to a person that lives in this neighborhood and said that the bear had been there all morning checking out the trash because this is trash day for them. So we decided to head to Twin Peaks, which is a 10,000 foot peak that we're gonna climb off of the Perimeter Trail. And the trail is 2 miles there, 2 miles back, which isn't super long, but the trail will consist of going up over 3,000 feet of elevation in just 2 miles. So it's gonna be very strenuous. I'm only gonna film with my GoPro since we're gonna try to do it as fast as we can. It's gonna be a blast. We decided to leave our family and climb this mountain which was a 2.4 mile hike that climbed over 3,000 feet of elevation. We're not acclimated. When you're not acclimated, it's a lot harder to climb fast because the air is a lot lighter up here. We are 1.2 miles away from Twin Peaks, guys. No way. All right, guys, we have made it to Sister Peak, and we are very close to the Twin Peak, which is right up here. Down below us is Ouray, and I'm on this ledge right now that's not too steep, but it's kind of a little scary, so I'm gonna go ahead and get off this. But this is awesome, guys. It is an amazing view. We climbed the switchbacks in only a few hours, and once we arrived to Sister Peak, which is right below Twin Peaks, and we knew, even though the hike was very strenuous, that those views were definitely worth it. Hello? We
are on the very peak.
Very peak.
It is so scary.
Of the, whatever it's called.
It's about 2,000 foot straight drop.
It's like a 200-300 straight drop.
1,000.
Maybe 1,000 foot.
I think it's 1,000 at least foot straight drop.
We're not gonna be dangerous, but
it's so scary.
This is one of the craziest peaks I've been on. Probably the most dangerous peak I've been on. I haven't been on a lot of peaks, but definitely one of the scariest peaks I've been on. And I am pretty scared right now. I can really look around because it is death-defying. I look forward to, in the future, coming back to Colorado, doing some more mountain climbing, backpacking, rock climbing, and mountain biking. So we decided we're gonna trail run all the way back. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. In our next video, we are going to Bandelier National Monument in New Mexico.